Hello guys, today I will play Minecraft, and today I'm playing with my sister and we're gonna play Cartoon Cat Seed. This is not a good idea, and but we need to do it.
Yeah, I think that's true.
If you want to go to bottom of this, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notification if you are new. So if you click that notification, you're gonna see all of our upload. Please do that. Please. If you don't do that, you will not have any.
Yeah.
You will not see our face in Facebook. So turn on post notification and ring the bell, and I mean subscribe and like. Please, if you are new and
I know how
okay.
to spell cartoon.
I know.
Oh.
Cartoon Cat. My
Cartoon
gosh.
Cat.
It's gonna be.
You know what cartoon cats? You know what's cartoon cat's friend?
I know, Cartoon Dog.
Yeah. The most show. I like cartoon cat's song. It's really awesome.
No, I
Do you
don't
hear
like that. What do you mean?
When I
Okay, no activate cheats. Multiplayer on, create. Let's get started.
just get started. I'm coming to you,
Coming to me, coming to me, coming to me, coming to me, coming to me. Me. Oh my gosh, that was so funny.
Comment down below which you like, the movie or Cartoon Cat.
Wait a minute! You're already respawned and I'm not still. I see your screen. You're top of a tree. Just stay
Yeah.
there. I don't know where's the...
Oh, I'm.
Just stay there, okay? I'm still loading.
And where's the starting chest? Oh,
Oh,
hi.
I'm here.
Can I push you?
No.
You wanna ready to see my skin?
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Eat a map.
Oh, that again. Okay. Wait, what's your name? Okay. Where's the starting chest? See the starting chest. I will get it first. Okay, I'll give you some. Okay, do not be mad. My gosh.
I want carrot.
Oh my gosh, why there's an explosion?
I don't know.
I think it's a trap. My gosh. That was so mean. Oops, I dropped a seed. Never mind. My bad.
But
My gosh, it's so laggy.
come on.
Ah, I'm not even started yet in this down.
Give me some carrots.
Oh,
I'm here on my.
come here, stupid. Oh, I'm gonna die. I wish I had keep inventory too. Let's see. Let me get just stay there.
I'm gonna
Keep inventory true. Keep inventory. Keep inventory. Okay, I have keep inventory. I don't need this sort of flesh, please. It's kind of disgusting. Let me break this thing. Okay. Can you come here, please? Wait a minute, guys. Come here.
Okay, I got a pickaxe. Do you want one.
Can you sit, please, into the bed?
Okay.
Wait a minute, guys. Come here, sis. Okay. Okay, guys, it's kind of pretty loud here, and wait, my gosh, you're creeping me out, sis.
Draw your back.
I think this is real. Wait, let me fix my doors. I don't need that.
It's not a bat.
I need food. Sorry,
That's
guys.
not a bat. I think I get past this. I think we're going to see Cartoon Cat.
I gotta put my other hand my map, and let's go. Okay, it's kind of a little bit small, right, sis?
Yeah, where are you?
I'm over here. Do you see my name tag? We're not going to the ocean.
Yeah.
We're going. Is that the swamp? No, not again.
Why?
I hate swamp. Remember that dirty water? Okay, Mom. Gosh.
I think
Jeepers creepers. Okay, let's see, guys. Yeah. And okay, do not. Okay. Mom, do not be. Why is this? Why you're.
Chop the when I got a chop.
I'm so sorry.
Oh no, I pressed that.
You can make one. Why are you frustrated, sis?
You know why? Commercial.
Oh, okay. I thought you're
Look
mad
at your dress.
I know. It's so wiggly.
I'm the pig.
Okay, that's you. And we're gonna travel into this cartoon taxi. We're gonna travel.
I think when we find some temple, they're gonna drop us with.
I thought I see an ant. Never mind. That is just a chicken. An egg. An egg. I need you. I need you. I need you. This is so laggy. I cannot play if it's laggy. I cannot play Minecraft if this is so laggy.
That's a crack.
Do you have a crafting table? Sharing, scaring. Okay, sis. I'll get this. That's why it's so laggy, because there's many fish. Come here. I'll show you.
Where are you? Now you left me.
No, I'm not. I see your name tag. Because I'm swimming.
Why did you on your ground?
I see your name tag, sis. Don't worry. Why are you so blind?
No, I'm not.
So sorry, sis. I'm so laggy.
Mine is not laggy.
I want that phone. This fish is so stupid. Wait, what was that? Cartoon cat? Wait.
Wait, we need to feed Cartoon Cat.
With the fish, I have fish.
Fish?
Yeah, I got raw salmon.
Okay, I got raw salmon too.
Are you following me?
Wait, please.
Oh my gosh, you're not following me.
Please, this is a commercial.
Okay, sis. Oh my gosh.
And then
because I'm swimming. I'm killing all these fish.
I told you not to go swim.
Because it's so laggy before this fish dies. I want this fish to die. Come here, I hate you. I don't want to play this game anymore. Because it's so laggy with this fish. What's wrong with this fish? Come here,
Why
fish.
I'm not swimming?
You need to double press in your forward to get swimming. Okay? Like this.
What?
Wee. And double tap. Double tap your forward thing. So you can swim. You're swimming. I see you. Your butt is into the ground. My gosh, I see you. Ah! Are we swimming? Okay. We gotta swim all the way into the end.
Oh, I'm drowning. Protect me, please.
God. Fuck you, Give me true.
Look at my screen.
What?
Earring.
Are you following me?
I'm following you. This is so much fun.
I know. Your face is in the ground.
Yeah.
That's so fun to swim. Okay, we need to travel to find.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because it's the watch video lets you guys the cartoon cat is fish.
We're not gonna kill. Oh, dolphin! It's swimming with us. Yay! It's want to get our stuff. That is dolphins do. Get all player stuff. Drown. Ah, drowned. There's drowned.
I know.
Oh no, it's gonna sunset already. We just started this video. This is. I'll go to you. Oh my goodness, this dolphin is so fast that I thought that was. I see you over here.
Oh no, poor little dolphin.
Yeah. Poor. How did this dolphin come here? No, do not kill it. If you want to kill my sister, kill me. I'll kill you. That is so laggy, and I'm so
We
dizzy.
need to go sleep.
I know, but we cannot sleep. We have no ba ba ba.
What's a bubble?
That means it's a sheep. I know.
Protect me.
Okay, you're looking to your abs, bro.
No!
I'm just kidding. I think we gotta make a watch. Let me craft first.
What?
Let me put.
This is so loud!
I know it's making my eardrums hurt.
Yeah. It's making me...
Dizzy.
Yeah.
I have. Yeah. Let me. No. We're not go to creative, remember. I think I need a stick. I will make all my stuff into wood. Getting things in even slower. So laggy, my gosh. I'm making dizzy now because it's so laggy. Okay. Now I will make a stick one, and I will make a sword, and I will make a shovel. No, a axe. I think. No, I have an axe, and I will craft chest
Can I grab
again.
some sticks?
Oh my gosh. Sis. I got three chests. Okay, now there's a spider calling to us.
Hide.
Hide. Okay. Come here. Come here, spider. I'll kill you.
I'm getting my breath.
Oh no, there's zombies.
I'm hungry.
The zombie become a drowned. Ouch. What? Wait a minute, guys. Sis, can you protect me, please?
Okay. Okay, guys. So, someone's buying. Be careful, okay? Okay, guys. So, guys, you're still there. Okay, you're still there. Please, guys, be quiet.
Sis, where are you?
Over here. Okay, I'm protecting your phone.
Okay. Okay. This is alright. Alright, waves. So laggy.
Bad news. Let's go hide.
No.
You're gonna be scared when you're not hiding.
No. I will not hide.
Why?
Because I don't care.
Why you don't care?
Let me see. Let me put this egg right here. I will put it right there. Help me, sis.
Because I have no sword. That's my sword.
I'm feeling dizzy right now. The sun is the moon is coming. It's midnight, okay? It's 3 a.m. Not in real life. Yep, it's 3 a.m. in Minecraft. Okay, guys, wait a minute.
Okay, guys. Okay. Look. Sorry, guys. Be quiet, guys. Okay. So, guys, be quiet. Okay, the door's closed.
Okay, guys, I'm really sorry because there's man
There's customers.
into our house. There's zombie. It's right next to my sister. Okay, you're good, sis. You're good. Craft say a sword, sis. I will craft it.
Can you pass me something?
Okay, I'll try my best. Okay, here. I need to catch it to you, but it's Sharpie, okay? You will catch it. Oops, that's a spider eye. Sorry, sis. There. Okay, you're good. My wooden sword is gonna break because it's wooden. There's food here. I need to eat my apple. I wish I did not burp, so the creeper cannot hear me. Ah! Okay, it's okay. I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yup, I'm okay.
There's some devil.
This is a devil island. This monsters is Cartoon Cat's army.
Why is so ugly?
I know, it's so ugly. In reality, it's cute. Do not near them because there's skeletons over there. Will shoot us.
Don't go.
So laggy right now.
The levels is following you.
Where the skeleton? Skeleton right behind you. Well, okay, we're gonna play with the skeleton. Play with me, skeleton. I'll kill you.
Yeah. The level is following you.
And I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, sis. Thank you, sis. You saved my life. Okay, it's gonna sunrise. It's not gonna sunset. The sunrise means the sun is gonna up. The sun's going up.
That's my favorite
Sun. Okay, the sun's going down. I mean, the moon's going down. As I travel away through the crowd. And the verses is by your side, make me shine. Okay, let's stop swinging now. We need to kill the spooky skeleton or zombie.
Let's go. Fight.
No, I'm gonna die.
Don't worry, I'm good.
How many hearts you have? No, I will not. I'm gonna die, sis. I'm gonna die. Sorry. He had no trident. He had only her. Try. Okay.
Oh, no, you're killing her. I see some under the sea.
How many hearts you have?
Four.
Full? Okay, kill that skeleton. Because I have only half. Okay. Up.
No, I see a dead skeleton underwater. Okay.
Okay, I don't see it, but okay.
Be careful. I see the grandfather trident. Bye-bye.
Ta-ta.
No.
Okay, where's the skeleton? You kidding me? You just want me to get lost.
Sorry.
It's laggy over there. I don't want to go over there.
You see me?
Yeah. We're into our island. Our
Come
little...
on, I'm thinking like
Okay,
I see a floating grain on you.
oh my gosh, you're glitching again. Are you kidding me?
No, on my screen. Look.
What is floating? The brain. Oh, that's not a brain. That's a rotter flesh. Over here, I see it too. I see this rotter flesh. Oh no, there's many.
Are we stuck on this land?
I don't know. I think we gotta move because I see a million tridents drowns over in the sea. So we gotta get moving. Break the crafting table. Wait, do not break it. I gotta craft a boat. Not wooden hole! Oh my gosh, what a waste. Don't worry, sis. There's
Okay, I'm this land.
over here. I build a boat. Board. Come here, sis. You're not. And now there's a. Wait,
There's something holding her on her hand.
I know it's a shell.
That's super funny.
It's so laggy there. Okay, we need to go.
Going.
It's like another island. So we can see cartoon cat.
The cartoon cat is on that other side.
Don't worry. Wait, I will eat first. Time for a snack first.
Okay.
Oh, raw chicken. I need raw chicken.
Okay.
Yum. Wait, I need a rotten flesh.
Rotten flesh.
Because I need to eat.
I like this sun. Because it's usually real life.
Where?
Look.
Oh yeah,
Let's go.
I see fish there. Do not leave the boat, okay? I think you're gonna sunk.
Where's the ground?
I don't know.
I said that's my bubble.
That is my hunger. I'm so hungry right now because I eat the rotten flesh. Yum. I'm so stinky. I know. I see it into my screen too. There's nothing. I see an island. What is that? Cartoon cat? I don't know. Oh, there's an island. Do you see that? It's kind of stone island. Okay. It's kind of looks safer there. Do you see that glowing thingy? Over there. I'll stop. See that? Do not go away. There's many drowns is waiting there because I know that in Pocket Edition there's something like that and there's many drowns waiting if you come there. Let's leave the boat. Let's do not break the boat, okay? Hey, how do I get up this thing? Wait,
Okay, I'm done. Wait, I'm getting use my pickaxe.
I don't have a pickaxe. I will craft again. I'll craft a pickaxe because I don't have pickaxe. So,
A minute. Don't be lost.
okay. I will right next to you, okay? I will still not lost, okay? Don't worry. My
Okay,
gosh.
I got the pickaxe. Okay, I got some cobblestone. Na, 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 na,
We need many cobblestone from our little house.
I think this world is Pocket Education.
I know. I think. Oh,
Many
wait.
things.
I know. Okay, it's off this wooden pickaxe. Oh, this is so fast. I love it. What is that, sis? Commercial? But first we need to end the video, right, sis?
Yeah.
And I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash like that button and you. See you guys next time. Goodbye. Peace.
Guys.
Peace.